Yeah, so, Bing Crosby, you're getting your white Christmas. This is one hell of a nor'easter. I'm not sure if I've seen a nor'easter like this one. The snow has absolutely come down faster than I have ever seen. We've already shoveled the back deck once, it's already full. I can't wait for all of that to come flying off the roof and probably bury us alive. That's going to be really fun. Look, I even went and I snowblowed the driveway twice. And there's probably a foot of snow on the driveway again. No joke. Like, yeah. If you're dreaming of a white Christmas, you got your white Christmas. And guess what? This is probably going to take till the summertime for this shit to melt. Yeah, Mother Nature, you can go suck an egg. And to all of you that live in Florida and in the Caribbean and all these nice warm places, seriously, screw you.